The last class I have discussed unemployment and types of unemployment prevailing in India. Now I shall discuss how to create more employment in the rural areas. First, diversification of agriculture. More than 60% of our people depend upon agriculture for their livelihood, but our farmers are producing only limited crops, mainly cereals, food crops. There is a need to diversify agriculture. Farmers should be encouraged to adopt pisciculture, fish farming, horticulture, cultivation of fruits and vegetables, animal rearing for milk, along with cultivation of crops. The first step is diversification of agriculture. Second is soft credit or cheap credit. Most of the farmers depend on informal sources of credit. They take credit from money lenders, relatives, traders who charge a very high rate of interest. And so the government should encourage the commercial banks to provide loans to the farmers at cheapest rates. The third step, provision of basic facilities. Our rural areas lack the basic facilities like roads, transportation, banking, warehousing, markets. The government should invest some money in these sectors so that the Indian villages can be linked to other markets. This activity can provide productive employment or gainful employment to not just farmers but also to others such as those in services like transport or trade. The next step should be taken to promote local and cottage industries. Another way to tackle this problem is to identify, promote and locate industries, especially the cottage and small-scale industries in semi-rural areas where a large number of people may be employed. It also includes setting up flour, rice, dal mills to procure and process these and sell in the cities. In villages near forest areas, honey collection centers can be started where farmers can come and sell wild honey. The next step is improvement in education and health care facilities. There is also a dearth of, lack of, a scarcity of educational and health care facilities in the villages. According to Planning Commission of India, nearly 20 lakh can be created. 20 lakh jobs can be created alone in the educational sector itself. To improve public health care facilities, we need more doctors, nurses and other healthcare workers. And the next is technical and institutional measures. Technical facilities like irrigation, availability of HYB seeds, awareness about modern agronomic methods of agriculture would increase the productivity of arable land and increase the requirement of human force in agriculture. So these are the steps that can be taken to solve the unemployment problem, especially the disguised or under unemployment in the rural areas. And the steps are diversification of agriculture, cheap credit facilities, provision of basic facilities, promotion of local and cottage industries, technical and institutional measures, and investment to education and healthcare facilities in the rural area. Thank you.